guys, it's your girl Deena.
It's your girl Reylene,
and welcome back to Heavenly Curls.
So what we'll be doing in today's video, Dee?
So in today's video, by a lot of people asked what is our makeup routine when we did our skincare routine.
Yeah.
So we thought, why not give the people what they want? I mean, although probably only 4 people asked, but that's a lot for us, you know? So if you want to see us do our makeup routine, our like somewhat everyday routine.
Yeah.
I don't really wear makeup all the time, but somewhat her everyday routine. And when I do wear makeup, this is exactly what I do.
Yeah, well, besides from COVID, yeah. I only wear makeup to go to church or to work, and that's pretty much it. Yeah.
I don't wear makeup to go anywhere besides do YouTube videos.
That's when you have flawless skin like
She
Deena.
said that, but I mean, she have flawless skin too. So we also going to be dividing this video into 2 because when it comes to makeup, it takes long.
I know.
So I will be doing part 1. She'll be doing part 2. So if you're watching part 1, enjoy. If you're watching part 2,
good luck.
That is true. So let's get into it. I'm gonna be showing my makeup routine, so let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is not foundation. I don't know why I pick it up. Is the same thing I used to moisturize my face. And if you watch the skincare routine, it's the same thing I put on before I put on makeup. I mean, this thing is the bomb diggly. Like, watch other reviews if you want, because it is. So I just kind of like give my eyes a little extra, because you know they tend to get dark. We don't want it to. And you just like rub it in. And if you're hearing any Nigerian accents in the background, it's because my mother decided to watch Nigerian movie on this wonderful Sunday. Chidi came out. I wonder what I mean though. Like Reylene right there, so if I look in there, it's because she there. Like, I wonder what I mean.
That's me, like, seriously.
Oh, okay. Like,
yeah, I think in Nigerian, it's like,
yeah, we tend to watch a lot
it's
of
like
Nigerian
exaggeration
of okay.
Like, we're gonna say, what the hell? They're gonna be like, a chimikimo. Yeah.
So if I start speaking like
Nigerian
in the video, you know why. So now we're going to use you probably know this foundation from Reylene. So we started off using this foundation because my sister recommended. Then I tell Reylene, she buy it, and I buy it. Because I didn't get my $25 foundation.
and the shade.
Oh yeah, and the shade. What shade is this? What is that? Hazelnut. Right. I watching the French or Spanish version of that word. Wow. Hard times all in. So this is the, oh god, I hope I can see this properly. This is the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation. Yeah. It's all up, well, it's good for taping YouTube videos because photofocus. So I'm just gonna apply it. So it comes with this kind of application. And I'm just gonna boom. Boom. That is my aunt in the background now. She come to talk to my mother. Y'all, today is just one of those days where my family members don't want to be quiet. Like, I normally do something called Zoom into Jesus for church, because I teach in church, and my family members didn't want to be quiet today either. So guys, please, bear with them. That's my aunt. Really, you can go ahead. Everybody know that you're right in the background. Anyways.
No, I'm looking for a foundation though.
Oh yeah, like see. Oh god, don't go in my hair.
Oh, that's it.
So again, I hope I blend this properly because I'm literally using the camera as my mirror, which is not a good idea, but this is what we got at the moment. So that is for it for the foundation, people. Like, I mean, and then my sister decided to blend us something at this exact moment. So yeah, so Literally looking like if I have on no foundation. Yeah, so now I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and I'm using the duo pen brush by Ashley. I bought this in Pennywise, but I don't think they have it anymore. So all I do is like pass this here. I don't shave my eyebrows because I just find it don't make sense, because I barely have eyebrows here, and it's like, what's the point? Oh my god, this is gonna be difficult because I cannot really see. I think I put too much there. I'm gonna think, guys, I might need to get a mirror. Yeah, I don't even know. Yeah, so I'm just gonna use the mirror for my makeup palette, so I can do this properly and not look weird. I'll probably do it in this direction so you guys can still kind of see. I don't really put much, or like I just literally just like glide it through, kind of like barely put in kind of way. Like that's it. Next time you do the same thing, you just like glide it through. Nothing much. While I have this here, I might as well check my foundation and make sure it blends properly. Ooh. And the foundation is like what, 61 something? Yeah, like people. So yeah, that's it. And once I'm done with the foundation and my eyebrows, like the two easiest part for me, but the only thing that's probably take long, I technically done. So I'm just gonna do my eyebrows, and again I'm using this Beauty Concepts, which is I use this only per se. I have other palettes, but this is like my go-to one. Nudes Rosy eyeshadow palette, and the colors we'll be using today is so the colors we're using today, Reylene said try and do something a little extra, because I always wear
mean like normal extra, not like extra.
Oh yes, yeah, normal extra but not extra. It's because I always do the same thing, which is mostly the neutral and the gold. So today I'm going to go with the Latte and the Muse, something a little brighter, yeah, but not too, you know. So I'm just gonna like blend that in. I am not a professional blender, people, so don't
come for me.
I am.
Yeah, look at.
So that's for the transitioning color. I believe that's what they call it. And I use my blending brush for that. Now I'm going to use this other brush. I got this free from a cousin, so I think she bought it from Wonderful. And then we're gonna go with the Muse. Do I want to use Muse or do I want to do simple? We'll go with the Muse. This one here. Yeah, I love this Muse color. I don't know if you guys could really see it, but so that's it. I try to not go simple, but I normally do. But I normally like do this look for fun most times. It's like, where are we going? Nowhere. And basically all I do after is take my Milani Glow 04 bronzer and just bronze the booms out of my face. We also was contemplating on doing this video only because we don't have a lighting for makeup videos, and it's like we don't know if it would look the way that it would like actually look, you know. So yeah, so we bronzed that face. We technically done. My blush broke, so I put it into this, my favorite blush, but it was inside this, and this is from, oh boy, Maybelline New York. Yeah, so it was here and I just put it in here. So you're just gonna dip it and I kind of like glide it, and last step, highlighter from the same people. I just put some on my nose. I use this brush for that, and I put some there, and I'm technically done, people. Now to my favorite part, which is mascara. This is my favorite part, and this is the mascara that we use. Best mascara ever. It's called Best Lash Extreme Volumizing Mascara by Jordana. Ah, yes. So I'm gonna be putting that on. I'm going to try to put this on using the camera. Like guys, mascara makes the huge difference. Like,
yeah?
I'm gonna put some on my bottom.
In your bottom?
Yeah, in my bottom lashes. So yeah, right, they got a little thing, but you only take it off when it dry. So so basically that is literally my everyday makeup routine. I literally do nothing extra. No lipstick, no lip gloss. Sometimes I put Vaseline if my lip dry, but because I drink so much water, my lips are really dry, you know, like it's really dry. So yeah, so let's get a good look. So yeah, so this is the end of my makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So as you know, we use the same outro and intro for both videos. Yeah. If you just finished watch my makeup routine, well, I mean, I hope it was short.
And you know what I like is that Deena go on like real like extra, and we just keep it like real simple.
I still find yours look more extra for some reason.
I think it's in the lips. Yeah, the lipstick. The lipstick, yeah.
So I hope you guys enjoy both. Yes. If you're watching part 1, go watch part 2. If you watch part 1 already and part 2, well, thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So thank you guys so much.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.